I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dubai cheesecake. First, crush 200 grams of digestive biscuits until they are fine crumbs. Then, combine these crumbs with 100 grams of melted unsalted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure it's even and compact. Chill the crust in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes while you prepare the filling. Now let's create that luscious filling. In a large bowl, beat 500 grams of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually add 200 grams of granulated sugar, mixing until just combined. Then, gently beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, stir in 100 milliliters of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a rich flavor. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Pour the filling over your chilled crust and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center should still have a slight wobble. Turn off the oven and leave the cheesecake inside with the door ajar for 1 hour to cool slowly. This prevents cracks. Afterward, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. The final touch is the topping. Once your cheesecake is perfectly chilled, you can add your favorite embellishment. A simple fresh berry compote works beautifully, or for something richer, try a chocolate ganache. To make ganache, melt 100 grams of dark chocolate with 50 milliliters of hot, heavy cream. Pour it over the cheesecake. Let it set, then slice and enjoy your exquisite homemade Dubai cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.